Hey, what's up, you guys? It's me, Frank the Chat again, and I know I haven't made a review in a long time, but I am making a new review on my two newest Army knives. Not really new. I went to the Grand Canyon about 2 weeks ago. I forgot to make, well, you know, got to make a review of this. I can show you what's in the back here. Well, let's start with the mini one. A small blade, good for opening a letter. Hold up. I need back assistance for this. Okay. And I got a nail file. And, yeah. And we got seals. Oh, if any of you have this, if you've been to the Grand Canyon and you got one of these, well, good for you then. It's my first one! Well, this is just a regular Swiss Army knife. Made in China. Here's the blade. Not really, it doesn't really look that clean. Has a lot of scratches on it. Oh well, I can live with it. Has a saw, and then wood. Scissors. A screwdriver and can opener. I mean a bottle opener, and this is a can opener. Sorry. And here is the back. Another screwdriver, the other way. A reamer, again like that. Nail file, and a nail picker. And a corkscrew. What a delight. Oh, by the way, this one has a keychain. And this one too, but this is not really all that bad. Well, let me show you what's in the bag. Oh, and it has a nice, these both have nice designs of the Grand Canyon on it. Bought it with my own money. My dad was too lazy. National Geographic, I got this at a National Geographic museum. And I got it at the Grand Canyon, too. And I got this at a souvenir store. And it said my name in the back. Frank. And this one too. They both say my name in the back. What do you know? Well, this is pretty much it. Hold up. Let me take out all the blades. It's gonna take a while. I can't pause my phone. I can't pause it. Sorry. You get to see the whole process of the pain and anguish. Thinking about a lot of stuff right now. I fainted at school today. How great is that, huh? Yeah, it's not great! Well, I can't take out the reamer. It's kind of hard. Well, this is it. A lot of tools. Yeah. Next time I'll use my dad's phone for a video. Because his phone pauses. Well, these are my useless Army knives. Yeah. I'm going to make another video of this. Now, peace. Have a nice